See, the good doors in this case are the bad doors. This is what the inside looks like
On a bad.
on a good door. The well-built doors are the stronger ones, are the ones that are harder to reclaim. See all this cardboard? All the bumps? You want to sand the bumps off? Keep it flat. Don't hold it like this because then you'll end up making divots. So keep your hands on top of it and keep the whole thing flat. There you go. Good. Nice and flat. Perfect.
Wait, can I try?
Yep, so just line up, see if you get this hole and this hole lined up. So you gotta get them right on there. It's tricky. There you go. Nice. originally started making this guitar, the plan was to just put a typical hardtail bridge on it, but then I changed my mind halfway through and I decided I wanted to put like a kind of Jaguar style tremolo on it, and I didn't build it for that, so I'm dealing with all the consequences of that right now. And I knew while I started drilling these holes, I was like, I shouldn't be doing this. This is set up for a certain type of thing, and I'm screwing it all up. And so like one of the problems I had is the ground wire there, which should be pretty well hidden underneath here where the hole was for that. And then this plate kind of goes over my Arrow F hole a little bit. And then also I need to add some more wood here to support this so the screws will stay in and it doesn't just pull off. So it was dumb of me to do this, and I'm cramming it all into a very small space. It's dumb of me to do this, but I did it anyways. So this is door guitar number 6 or 7 in the series, I don't remember. It's all hollow core door except for the fingerboard, which is made from some reclaimed trim that was around a staircase. And I wanted to mess around with doing some more lamination work like I did on the acoustic guitar I did a few months ago, and I did the whole body that way with these flat tops and hollowed it out. I got it stuck in my head that I needed a tremolo on this guitar, so I went and even though I designed it to have a regular hardtail bridge, I went and put this on anyway, so I screwed up some of my work, and you can see it's kind of not quite lined up right there, but I'm happy with it the way it turned out, and I know if I were to make another one of these, I know I need to make a few adjustments, but it's a pretty cool guitar, super light, plays really well. I'm really proud of this one. It's going to be for sale actually at newperspectivesmusic.com, so you can go check that out if you're interested in it. If you want me to make a guitar for you out of, you know, doors or whatever else, drop me a line. I'll see what I can do. The crazier the idea is, the better. Alright, be good.